My name is Zhaneliyah. Welcome to my channel where I do beauty, lifestyle, natural hair, and reaction videos. So today I will be talking about FORSAGE X3, X4. This is for Ethereum. I know y'all have been hearing a lot about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, altcoins, and this is the year to want to invest in it. If you want to be very wealthy, you want to be millionaires, keep it, in your mind that you want to be a millionaire. Billionaire, don't matter. Trillionaire, don't matter, because you want to be it. So I just wanted to come and introduce this opportunity to y'all, because this is an amazing opportunity to learn how to earn income, especially for like new generations, any generation. Just helping like change a life is what I love to do. Like, life-changing things matter to me, so I want to help y'all change your life. So FORSAGE Matrix is basically marketing that can be thought of as similar to network marketing, with a limited number of places and an unlimited number of reinvestments. In the matrix, the referral link is fixed to the person who invited you, which would be me inviting you to make this money. You always follow your refer to each of the slots that he or she has activated. There are two sub-programs within FORSAGE. There's FORSAGE X3 and FORSAGE X4, which I was mentioning earlier. FORSAGE X3 has 3 places below you in 1 row. FORSAGE X4 has 2 rows below you with 2 places in the first row and 4 places in the second row. When you join or register with FORSAGE, you open up both of these programs simultaneously, and there are no expiration dates for any places or slots to be occupied, and there are unlimited automatic reinvestments available. So please be assured, I will always help you to succeed in this business. This includes my constant goal to provide spillover to my partners. Part of how I do this is by working hard to get high Google rankings with my FORSAGE business, thus creating more partners and therefore more spillover for you all. So this is a good opportunity. I don't think that y'all want to miss out on this opportunity, because I did, and I took the steps to want to change my life and like change my family's life. Like, wouldn't you want to help your mom, your dad, your sibling, your grandma, grandpa, anybody, aunt, uncle, doesn't matter, help them financially? You can even put them under you. The person I'm under, she has her baby under her. Her baby is only 4 months old. So you can put anybody under you. Like, it doesn't matter. You are helping each other grow. This is an opportunity to support one another and just grow this year. 2021, Ethereum is going to reach X10, which means times 10, or wait, did I say that right? 10x. Let's do the math real quick. 10x. Okay, 1 second. 10. Yes, so Ethereum has a potential goal to reach 10x, which means you would times how much the token is. For 1 token right now, it's around $1,200. So if you basically got 1 token times 10x, that is $12,000. Now if you have 2 tokens for Ethereum, that's basically you times in, you got 2 of those things. That's freaking $24,000. So Ethereum is going to reach that or even 100x. And 100x, like what? Do 1,200 times 100 for 1 coin. That's $120,000. And with this opportunity, you can make more than that just by joining us. You don't have to recruit people. You can still earn money by being under me and other people joining after you. You can still earn money. But if you are go-getters and you want to have more income and be very wealthy in the future, I'd say let's get this money. Like, why not take time out your day to want to introduce this to other people to make them have a life-changing, you know, that's what I'm saying, like a life-changing. You want to create new opportunities to people and share this information. Like, can I tell y'all, let me refresh the page for my link. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. In the first 24 hours, 998 people have joined FORSAGE. And do you want to know how many people are already in here? Are already in this business? Okay, so all the participants, the total of people that are in this company, it's 1 million people plus. 1 million people plus. Like, this is insane. So like I said, this opportunity, you should not let this pass. I can help get you started, and it's a setup where you have to, this is going to help you learn cryptocurrency market, because this market is going to take off. Like, Ethereum is the second largest to compete with Bitcoin, and all investors, they're invested in Bitcoin. Soon they'll be investing in Ethereum, which I believe, I mean, this is the case already. Speaking it up, I'm pretty sure there's investors investing in Ethereum. But just, you know, this is a good opportunity that you should not pass up. You should think on it. If you're not sure about it, just remember that if you want to be wealthy in life, you want to change your life, you have to get out your comfort zone. You have to start somewhere and get to that goal, you know. So if y'all would love to join this opportunity, I will leave my link down below and a video for you to watch to know about more about this company, this business, and how it works. And just, you can join the Facebook group to see testimonials. I'll leave all those links down below in the description box. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps the algorithm, and it will help more people learn about this opportunity. Like, this is something that you're going to want to stick to, because years down the line, you're going to be so happy that you did. And if you're new, please hit that subscribe button. Help me reach 10,000 subscribers. I really appreciate that so much. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Keep y'all updated. Thank you. Have a great day.